Hello everybody, I have some goodies to show you. I'm excited to get into them and show you what I have. I would like to say thank you to DiamondArt Gift for sending these, letting me pick out a few things to show you. I think I have some cool stuff, okay? We're gonna just slide this over and we'll leave that to the end, the box, and we're just gonna get started, okay? So, first one, toolkit. They all came with a toolkit like this, wax, boat, pen. This one is crystals. Look at the crystals. I've been waiting for this one. I'm so excited. So it has the bubble rounds on the background, probably bubbles in the balloon, the hat. Bubbles means we have 3 different sizes of crystals. So you'll see we have 1s, which are small, 2s are what we'll call the medium, and 3s are larger. And these will be the same color. Probably the same thing going on here with the 5, the 6, and the 7 in the hat as well. I love it. I can hardly wait to do this one. There's 15 different shapes. It's gonna be so cute. It's a gnome. I love it, love it, love it. Let's look at the drills. Yay. I've been waiting for this one to come. It's still November. Let's see. I got a little bit to go on my other painting to finish, so I don't know. All right, let's see our colors. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, so number 1 is small blue rhinestones. 2 bags, 3 bags. And then we have medium blue rhinestones. Then we have clear. Ooh, that would be like a larger clear. Oh, smaller clear. That's not even the clear though. Hang on, that is not clear. That is with that iridescent coating on them. They're looking pink and purple. These are gorgeous. They're not just the plain rhinestones. Love those. All right, then we have small red, medium red, larger red. What is this? Another red, a different red? There's the clear. That's just clear rhinestones. This is like a smoke color, peach, yellowy color, bronze, gold balls, and pink hearts. Okay, I'm confused. What's gonna go on number 3? What's the big ones? What's number 3? 1, 2, 3. Oh, those are gonna be clear. All right, so the background is gonna be the small blue, the medium blue, and the large ones are clear. All right, not all the same color. I thought they'd probably be all the same, but they are not. All right, that's gonna be fun though. And we get hearts for the hat. 1, 2, 3 hearts. Love it, just love it. Isn't it cute? I love it, love it, love it. Okay, I wanna work on that one like, pretty quickly, All right, the next one's rhinestones as well, okay? And it is Santa, just Santa. Santa in his hat. He has some mistletoe. Do you wanna kiss Santa? I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus. There he is. And he's rhinestones. There are 20 different colors and stuff. That's a lot. I didn't think there'd be that much. All right, let's look at them and see what we have. Poured glue, legend on both sides. Okay, they have DMC codes, which is interesting, but they're rhinestones. See all the DMC codes? But these are rhinestones. Okay. Go figure. Go figure. I bet we're going to have black. What do you want to bet? We have some black. Oh, well, these are by themselves. Clear and peach. Clear and peach. And here's the black. 1, 2, and 3 bags of black. They're upside down. We'll turn them over. Those are resin drills for the background. This is kind of like a brown color. And a lighter brown. That one's kind of brown looking. Okay, we have red, lime green, another green, a yellow, a pink, smoke. I'm gonna call that smoky gray. Garnet red, another pink, I don't know, champagne color, peach, amber, purple. What in the world? You guys, we got some interesting colors. Are these the right drills? It's for B 17, 16. Yep, they're for this kit. Where do we have purple? I'm confused. Purple, 16. The D. Where did the purple go? D. D. Purple? Okay, purple. Around his hat? All right. Okay. Well, that will be interesting. We shall have to see how that one works up. That's a lot of colors for this little crystal kit. I'm surprised by that one. All right. Oh, don't get separated. Stay with your friends over there. Okay, next one's Full Drill. And when I pulled this out of the bag, I was like, whoa, I love this. Look at this. This is cool. All right. I did not realize this was a 35 by 50. I thought it would just be the smaller one. So my guess is it's like 30, probably 30 by 45. Let's see. We'll measure. Why not? Yep, just about 30. So it's going to be 30 by 45. But look at how good that looks. Look how great that looks, you guys. I'm impressed. There's another one like this, and I need to get it. It's kind of a companion piece. It says something different, but I need to get that one. There are 23 colors here. They have DMC codes on both sides. Your symbols are all letters. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that little plaid present. The gift. How cool, right? How very cool. Dark symbols, white symbols, depending on the background color. I love this one. Oh my gosh, my love of Snowman. Love it. Isn't it cute? Joy. He has joy. He brought me joy when I opened him up. He did. He brought me some joy. I don't remember what the other one says. It says something different. It's a little, you know, same style, but same but different, you know? Have some white, okay? Have some white. And how about some green and blue? Gonna be a lot of blue too. All right, let's see. We have peach, some grays, some taupe colors, red, burgundy. Here's the blues. Hello, blue, blue, blue. That's green. Grayish green. Plum. Nice, nice. And then we have some more blues at the end to finish out. I like this one. You guys, I'm enjoying this little unboxing. This is good stuff. It's good stuff. Look at it. Look how clear that looks. You guys, that's going to turn out great. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited by those. All right, and the last thing I have comes in a box. Comes in a box. Some hanging of some sort. That's my guess. All right, what do we have? What do we have? Come out, come out. Oh. Okay, there's a toolkit in there. I see what else or something else. Oh, look at here. We have dangly bits and a hanger. That's an actual hanger to hang this by, and then some little beads to hang off the bottom, and our big gem that's attached to the bead. So it's got one dangly and then a hanger. That's cool. That's awesome. Love it. Love it. It's going to clip right on there. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. It is rhinestones, and look at it. It's double-sided too. Okay, I have one like this, but it's smaller than this one. It has a dragonfly, but this one is double-sided. Is there plastic on every single one of these little rings? Yes, there is. Yep, each one of those rings gets drills, and there's a little piece of plastic on each one. Then when you're done with this, you know, you will bend these, and it's going to make one of those twirly things, right? Isn't it cool? Diamond paint both sides. He's a cute little owl. Don't pull that. That will take everything off. Don't do that. And look at, these are more than one. These are two different colors or sizes. Maybe the same color, different sizes. That's pretty cool. It's so cute. And then remember, it's got a hanger. He's going to hang, and he's got that dangly part hanging off the bottom. I love this. I want to do one of these. This one's plastic. The other one was metal. So I wonder how easily this bends. How easily is this going to bend to make it do this? You know what I mean? Well, we'll find out. I don't want to do it right now because I need to put it back in the box for now, but it's pretty cool. I like it. I like it. They had several different styles with different picture in the middle. And I chose the owl. I liked the owl. All right, what do we have? Oh, special pieces. Whoa, those are cool. Can you see this? This is like a black iridescent half pearl type thing, but it's black and iridescent. Okay, let me turn this over. Most of them are this way. Look at that. Whoa, that's cool. I love those. It's number 15. It's the eyes. Awesome. So 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Awesome. We have like 6 in here. That's cool. Love that. That's neat. Okay. What do our rhinestones look like? Clear, a pale yellow, a pink, another pink, a couple of blues, an orange. Oh, look at that teal. That's gorgeous. A yellow. And then here's the bigger ones. Okay, so these are going to go around that ring. These are the larger stones. There's a red, an orange, a yellow, a blue, and a purple. So let's see. 4, number 4. Where's 4? Come on. 4 is pink. Okay, all right. That doesn't make much sense. Anyway, it's going to be pink and purple. Okay, we're going to have pink and purple. 4, no. 4 goes with 11. I lie. Oh, no. Okay, 14. Where's 14? Where's the 14? 14 goes with 9. Oh, let's get this right. That still isn't right. 14 and 9, yellow and purple? Really? Okay. 14 and 9, yellow and purple. Okay. All right. 4 and 11 go together. I thought they'd be the same color. Maybe not. Here's 11. And here's 4. I guess they're not. That's orange and pink. Okay. I guess they're mixed colors. All right. Okay, we'll figure that out when we get to it, and we'll see how it all turns out. But isn't it cute? I'm just interested how the plastic bends. You know what I mean? Without breaking. I don't know. Well, we'll find out because these have to bend, you know. All right. I'll let you know when I can work on this. We'll figure it out. Anyhow, good stuff. Love it. Thank you so much again, Diamond Art Gift, for sending these. I love the snowman. I want the other one now. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Oh, hang on. Dog barking. Shh. I don't know what she's barking at, but we got to go. So hit the like button and subscribe and comment and all those fun things that you guys do. And I'll be back soon with more good stuff. See you soon. Bye, everybody.